Think you've seen all the best Prime Day car gadget deals? Think again. We've uncovered 30 killer car gadgets and accessories under $50, and some of these are up to 60% off. But here's the twist. The real gems pop up all across this list of 30. From brilliant chargers to emergency tools and space-saving organizers, these are the gadgets you'll actually use every day. So stay with us, because deal number 28 might just blow your mind. Let's start off with a must-have for every car owner. Number 1. BestekCar Power Inverter was $39.99, now just $24.99. Ready to power up on the go? The BestekCar Power Inverter is now only $24.99, down from $39.99. That's a solid 38% off. A steal for a gadget that turns your car into a mobile power station. Whether you're on a road trip, camping, or just commuting, this device gives you access to 2 AC outlets and dual USB ports for charging everything from laptops to phone. This little powerhouse delivers 300 watts of continuous DC to AC power and 700 watts of peak power. It's compact, super portable, and features a built-in fuse to protect your devices from overload. Plus, the smart fan keeps it cool while you stay charged and connected. It's basically a must-have for every car emergency kit. Number 2. AstroAI Tire Inflator was $40.49, now only $31.98. Flat tire? No problem. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is here to save the day, and it's now just $31.98, down from $40.49. That's over 20% off for a gadget that could literally get you out of a roadside jam in minutes. It's a total game changer for any driver who values safety and convenience. It features an easy-to-read digital gauge, automatic shutoff, and fast inflation speed, perfect for tires, sports balls, and even air mattresses. Plug it into your car's 12V outlet, and you're set. No more late-night gas station runs just to check your tire pressure. It even comes with different nozzles for multi-purpose use. Number 3. Noco Genius 1 Smart Battery Charger was $39.95, now $29.87. Dead battery? Don't let it ruin your day. The Noco Genius 1 Smart Battery Charger is now only $29.87, marked down from $39.95. That's a sweet 25% discount. This compact little beast charges and maintains your car battery, motorcycle, ATV, and even lawnmower batteries like a pro. It's ultra safe, super smart, and compatible with 6V and 12V lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries. Its advanced diagnostics even help detect battery damage and repair it over time. Whether you're storing your car or just want peace of mind during winter, this tool is a lifesaver. Number 4. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash was $13.99, now just $9.69. If your car could talk, it would thank you for this one. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash is now just $9.69, slashed from $13.99. That's nearly 30% off one of the most trusted names in car care, and your ride deserves it. This luxurious shampoo and conditioner combo gently cleans while preserving your paint's wax protection. The thick suds remove road grime, bird droppings, and bug splatter without stripping off that glossy finish. Plus, the smell? So fresh, it'll make you love car washes again. Number 5. Hotor Car Trash Can was $12.99, now only $8.97. Messy car? Not anymore. The Hotor Car Trash Can is now just $8.97, down from $12.99, which means you're saving over 30%. Finally, a clever, compact solution to all those wrappers, tissues, and receipts floating around. It's waterproof, leak-proof, and comes with adjustable straps so you can hang it from the back of a seat or gear shift. It even includes side pockets for extra storage. Talk about functional. No more balancing trash on your dashboard or stuffing it into cup holders. Number 6. Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes was $14.97, now $11.97. Your car's interior deserves to shine, and now it can for less. Armor All's cleaning wipes are now only $11.97, down from $14.97. That's a slick 20% save for a 3-pack bundle that keeps your dashboard, glass, and leather looking showroom ready. This bundle includes protectant, glass, and cleaning wipes, all in moisture-sealed canisters to keep them fresh and ready when you need them. Whether it's dust, fingerprints, or smudges, these wipes handle it all in seconds. They're the ultimate grab-and-go car cleaning kit. Number 7. GOOACC Car Bumper Retainer Clips was $16.99, now just 12.14. Missing clips after a DIY repair or fender bender? Fix it yourself with GOOACC's car bumper retainer clips, now just 12.14, down from $16.99. That's a 29% discount for a 240-piece set that every car owner should keep in their garage. These high-quality nylon clips come in all shapes and sizes to fit doors, hoods, bumpers, and more. It even includes a handy fastener remover, so you can pop out the old clips without damaging anything. No mechanic required. Number 8. Car seat cleaner remover was $35.99, now just $23.75. Spills and stains don't stand a chance. This car seat cleaner remover is now $23.75, originally $35.99. That's over 34% off. Say goodbye to sticky spots, muddy prints, and coffee stains with this powerful upholstery cleaner. It lifts tough grime from fabric and leather without discoloring or damaging your seat. With a scrubber tip built into the bottle, it's easy to apply directly and scrub on the go. Great for pet owners, parents, or commuters who basically live in their car. Number 9. Car detailing kit was $25.99, now only $26.90. Okay, it's just a hair over $25, but we had to include it. This car detailing kit is now $26.90, just a few cents over the original price, but it packs serious value for every car cleaning enthusiast. It includes microfiber towels, interior brushes, applicator pads, a vent duster, and even a carry bag to keep it all organized, perfect for a complete interior and exterior refresh without hitting the car wash. It's the gift every clean freak wants, but doesn't know exists. Number 10. Little Trees Air Fresheners 30-pack was $23.99, now $12.19. Who doesn't love a fresh-smelling ride? Little Trees Air Fresheners, yes, the classics, are now just $12.19 for a 30-pack. That's down from $23.99, nearly 50% off. You'll have a new scent for every week of the year. From black ice to new car scent, these iconic hanging air fresheners keep your car smelling amazing without overpowering. Hang one on the mirror or stash one under a seat. It's the little upgrade that makes a big difference. Number 11. Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel was $8.99, now just $7.59. Let's talk about oddly satisfying cleaning. Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is now just $7.59, down from $8.99. It may look like slime, and it kind of is, but this gooey wonder gets deep into air vents, cup holders, and tight corners that regular wipes just can't reach. Just press the gel against dusty surfaces, lift it up, and boom, clean. It's reusable multiple times and picks up crumbs, dust, and debris like magic. Plus, it has a fresh lemon scent that leaves your car smelling clean as it looks. Number 12. AstroAI Foam Gun Car Wash was $42.99, now only $23.39. Bring the car wash to your driveway. The AstroAI Foam Gun Car Wash is now $23.39, slashed from $42.99. That's a massive 45% off. If you love a clean car but hate the hassle, this foam gun makes washing fast, fun, and efficient. Just connect it to your standard garden hose and spray thick suds like a pro detailer. It has an adjustable foam dial and a leak-proof nozzle, making it great for cars, motorcycles, and even bikes or windows. You'll wonder why you didn't start foam washing sooner. Number 13. Blackmagic Foam Wheel and Tire Cleaner was $8.99, now $7.64. Give your wheels the attention they deserve. Blackmagic Foam Wheel and Tire Cleaner is now just $7.64, down from $8.99. That's a small price for a product that makes your rims and rubber look brand new again. This fast-acting foam clings to grime, brake dust, and road gunk. Just spray it on, let it sit, and rinse. No scrubbing needed. It's safe for all wheels and gives your tires a slick black shine that pops on the road. Number 14. Synthetic Blend Motor Oil 5QT was $31.99, now just $19.97. It's maintenance time, and this deal's worth changing for. This 5-quart jug of synthetic blend motor oil is now only $19.97, down from $31.99. That's a 37% discount on a high-quality essential for keeping your engine happy and running smooth. Formulated for better mileage and performance, this blend protects your engine from wear, reduces sludge buildup, and handles extreme temperatures with ease. Whether you DIY your oil changes or just want to keep a jug handy, this is a smart pickup. Number 15. Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit was $19.99, now $17.99. Cloudy headlights? Not anymore. The Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit is now just $17.99, marked down from $19.99. It's a 10% savings, but more importantly, it restores your visibility and makes your headlights look factory fresh. No power tools needed, just sand, apply, and watch the haze disappear. The ceramic coating included lasts longer than others on the market, meaning you won't have to redo the process every few months. It's fast, safe, and seriously satisfying to use. Number 16. Idaho 2-pack car wash brush was $14.99, now only $12.59. Tired of bending and stretching during car washes? The Idaho 2-pack car wash brush is now just $12.59, down from $14.99. It's a simple upgrade that makes washing faster and way easier, and it's under $13 right now. Each brush has soft bristles that won't scratch your paint, and the telescoping handle lets you clean roofs, SUVs, and hoods with ease. Use them wet or dry for cars or even around the house. You're getting serious value with this 2-pack deal. Number 17. Hotor Trunk Organizer was $16.99, now just $12.99. Let's bring some order to your cargo chaos. The Hotor Trunk Organizer is now just $12.99, down from $16.99. You're saving 24%. It's collapsible, expandable, and perfect for groceries, tools, emergency gear, or sports equipment. With sturdy walls, non-slip bottom, and side handles, this organizer keeps everything upright and in place while you drive. When not in use, it folds flat in seconds. It's one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference in everyday convenience. Number 18. BestekCar Tire Valve Stem Cap Cover was $9.99, now $6.99. Looking for a tiny touch of car flair? These BestekCar Tire Valve stem caps are now only $6.99, down from $9.99. That's a 30% discount on a fun, functional little upgrade that protects your valves and adds a custom look. Made from durable aluminum alloy with rubber seals, these caps resist rust, dirt, and pressure leaks. They even come in different styles like carbon fiber or metallic finishes to match your car's personality. It's a cheap mod, but a classy one. Number 19. Valley Comfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover was $19.99, now $20.15. Wait, what? A Prime Day price increase? The Valley Comfy steering wheel cover was $19.99, and now it's $20.15. But hear us out. Even at this tiny bump, it's still worth every penny. Soft microfiber leather, great grip, and a universal fit make this a must-have interior upgrade. It offers anti-slip performance, breathability, and a cushy feel, especially during long drives. Plus, it just looks cool. Sleek stitching and a premium finish that elevates any steering wheel, and it protects your wheel from sun damage and wear. Number 20. Teflon Steering Wheel Lock was $44.99, now just $32.49. Secure your car in seconds. The Teflon Steering Wheel Lock is now $32.49, down from $44.99, a 28% savings on one of the most reliable anti-theft tools on Amazon. Peace of mind? Priceless. This solid steel bar fits most steering wheels and is virtually impossible to break without power tool. It comes with 2 keys, has a visual deterrent yellow color, and installs in seconds. Whether you park on the street or in a garage, this lock gives you confidence. Number 21. Skechers Car Floor Mats was $45.99, now just $41.99. Yes, you read that right. Skechers makes car floor mats, and they're on Prime Day deal for only $41.99, down from $45.99. These aren't your average mats. They combine durability with style, just like their footwear, and they fit most vehicles. You're getting a complete set of all-weather floor mats made with heavy-duty, flexible rubber. They trap dirt, water, and mud like a pro, keeping your car's interior looking fresh and clean. Plus, they're super easy to trim and install for a snug fit. Number 22. GOOACC LED Lights was $19.99, now only $16.49. Ready to level up your car's interior vibes? GOOACC LED lights are now just $16.49, down from $19.99. That's more than 17% off for one of Amazon's best-selling ambient lighting kits. It's color, style, and mood control, all in your ride. You get 4 strip lights with music sync, multiple color modes, and app or remote control. Whether you want chill blue for late-night drives or party mode on the weekend, GOOACC makes it easy to match your car's personality. Number 23. BestekCar Windshield Sunshade was $39.99, now just $31.99. Stop burning your hands on the steering wheel. The BestekCar Windshield Sunshade is now $31.99, down from $39.99. A solid 20% discount on a gadget that protects your interior and keeps it cool. This foldable, umbrella-style sunshade pops open instantly and blocks 99% of UV rays. It's sturdy, compact, and fits most windshields without bending or sagging. No more sweaty seats or cracked dashboards. It's a summer must-have. Number 24. Flylead Car Phone Charger was $24.99, now only $19.99. Need faster charging on the road? The Flylead Car Phone Charger is now $19.99, marked down from $24.99. You're saving 20% and gaining a total charging powerhouse for your vehicle. It's equipped with dual USB ports, a smart LED display, and built-in safety protection. Whether you're using navigation, streaming music, or sharing power with passengers, this charger keeps you topped up without overheating or overloading. Number 25. Dreamer Car Seat Cushion was $19.99, now $21.24. Okay, this one went up a bit, but at $20.24, the Dreamer Car Seat Cushion is still worth every penny. If you've got long commutes or a sore back, this memory foam cushion is a total game changer. It provides ergonomic lumbar and hip support, fits most seats perfectly, and makes even cheap car seats feel like luxury. Whether you're road tripping or Uber driving, this is comfort you'll immediately notice. Number 26. Inflator Car Seat Gap Filler was $32.99, now just $22.28. Say goodbye to the black hole between your seat and console. The Inflator Car Seat Gap Filler is now $22.28, down from $32.99. That's over 30% off and a clever solution to keep phones, keys, and snacks from vanishing forever. This premium PU leather gap filler fits snugly between your seats, adds extra storage space, and even comes with cup holders and USB slots in some versions. It instantly makes your front seat area more organized and less frustrating. Number 27. Dylan Car Cup Holder Tray was $23.99, now $20.38. Snacks, phone, wallet. Where do they go? The Dylan Car Cup Holder Tray is now $20.38, down from $23.99. That's 15% off for a genius little gadget that turns your cup holder into a mini desk or snack station. It rotates 360 degrees, has adjustable arms, and holds everything from burgers to tablets. Ideal for commuters, road trippers, and parents with kids who eat in the back. It's sturdy, compact, and honestly, just super handy. Number 28. Comsoon Bluetooth Receiver for Car. Prime deal live now. No Bluetooth? No problem. The Comsoon Bluetooth Receiver is on Prime Day deal and ready to transform your old car stereo. Plug it into your AUX port and boom. Wireless audio and hands-free calls in seconds. It has clear sound quality, noise reduction, and a long battery life. Perfect for connecting your phone, streaming music, or taking calls safely on the go. You even get a built-in mic and easy control buttons for added safety. Number 29. Ki-Style for MagSafe Car Mount was $14.99, now just $9.98. MagSafe fans, you're gonna love this. The Ki-Style MagSafe Car Mount is now just $9.98, down from $14.99. That's a 33% discount for a secure, stylish mount that snaps your iPhone in place effortlessly. It works with MagSafe compatible iPhones and cases, offering a strong magnetic hold, full rotation, and no clunky clips. Whether you're navigating or just need a safe phone spot, this mount keeps your screen in view and your hands on the wheel. Number 30. Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Prime deal live now. Road trips just got a whole lot quieter. The Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder is on Prime Day sale and ready to entertain your passengers. It's easy to install, fits most tablets, and keeps kids or adults entertained on long drives. It holds devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, has 360-degree rotation, and adjustable arms to suit any angle. Perfect for streaming movies, watching YouTube, or even learning apps on the go. Say goodbye to backseat boredom. That wraps up our list of unbeatable Prime Day car gadgets under $50. If you saw something you liked, act fast. These deals won't last long. Hit those links in the description, and happy shopping!